Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the cameras on the Xiaomi Mi 10i. The Mi 10i comes with a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with a refresh rate of 120Hz. It also runs on the 1.8Hz Snapdragon 750G chipset. This combination makes the smartphone ideal for clicking great pictures. The device also comes with a quad camera system on the back. It includes the primary, the ultra-wide, the macro, and the depth sensor. The 108 megapixel primary camera comes with Samsung's HM2 sensor and an f by 1.75 aperture. The HM2 sensor comes with 9-in-1 pixel binning technology. This means more details as well as better low light performance. This makes it one of the flagship camera sensors from Xiaomi. There's an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor along with a 2 megapixel macro sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The camera module is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. It can also shoot Full HD video at 30, 60 and 120 frames. There's also a slow-mo mode where you can shoot videos at 960 frames per second. However, this mode only works when you're shooting at 720p. Furthermore, the camera module comes with gyro EIS that keeps the camera stable when you're shooting videos. The Mi 10i comes with a timed burst mode as well. This mode can capture around 600 images in 60 seconds. There's also a dual video mode where you can record with the front and the back cameras at the same time. And speaking of the front camera, the phone comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera that can record videos at 1080p as well. This makes the camera well suited for all social media and video call related activities. And those are some of the key features of the camera setup of the Xiaomi Mi 10i. Thank you so much for watching.